were nights I felt abandoned, like the world had turned away. Every prayer felt like a whisper, lost somewhere in space. Broken hopes and silent battles try to steal my faith from me. But in the middle of my weakness, your love found me.
When my heart was slowly falling apart, you were there from the start.
You are the
light in my darkness, the hope when I can't see. When the world feels like it's breaking, you are holding me.
You are
the peace in my chaos, the voice in every storm. When I feel like I am drowning, your love keeps me warm.
the hope that sets me free. Even when the night surrounds me, your love carries me.
You are the peace in my chaos, forever